In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide self-view in a Zoom meeting. If you're in a Zoom call and you can see everyone else but not your own camera preview, don't worry. This usually just means your self-view has been hidden and it only takes a moment to bring it back. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to click so you can restore your self-view quickly and continue your meeting with confidence. Start by looking at the top right area of your Zoom meeting window. In that section, you'll see the grid icon. This is the view options area that lets you control how participant videos appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on that grid icon. Once you click it, a small menu will appear with different display options related to your meeting layout. Take a careful look through the menu, because this is where Zoom gives you the option to show or hide your own camera preview. In that list, click on Show Self View. As soon as you select Show Self View, your video tile should reappear in the meeting window. That means your self-view is now visible again, and you'll be able to monitor how you appear on camera while the meeting continues. This can be especially helpful if you want to check your framing, lighting, background, or overall presentation during a call. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're clicking the correct icon in the upper right corner of the Zoom window and that your camera is turned on. The self-view setting only applies when your video is active. So if your camera is off, you may not see your own preview appear. That's all there is to it. To unhide self-view in Zoom, click the grid icon in the top right corner, then choose Show Self-View. It's a very simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you prefer to keep an eye on your on-screen appearance during meetings, presentations, or virtual classes. Now you know how to bring your self-view back in Zoom anytime it gets hidden. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to find again in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.